Hey guys, today I'm up in North Gilbert around Gilbert Road and Warner. Wanted to take a look at this house that's been totally refurbished. Now the house was built in 1973. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,800 square feet, but it's been all remodeled. All new flooring, cabinets, countertops, bathroom vanities, painted inside, outside. Everything's been redone in the house. It's beautiful. But what I wanted to see was the detached RV garage and workshop. So if you're a car enthusiast, you know what to do. Hit the link to see more.